Festool Plunge Saws come with a variety of features designed to enhance precision of cut, ease of use and user safety. Plunge saws are designed to work perfectly with Festool guide rails, ensuring straight and accurate cuts over long distances. The guide rail system also helps to minimise splintering and tear out. All plunge saw models offer variable speed control, allowing the user to adjust the blade speed to suit different materials and cutting applications. This feature enhances versatility and helps optimise cutting performance and material use. A system of blades is also available to suit different types of material. The saws also feature adjustable depth settings, allowing you to set the cutting depth precisely for plunge cuts, bevel cuts, and through cuts. This feature ensures consistent and accurate cutting results. Bevel adjustments are set easily and can be combined with guide rails for accurate miter and compound miter cuts. Festool is known for its efficient dust extraction systems, and all plunge saw models come with integrated dust boards. This helps to keep your work area clean, reduces the amount of airborne dust, improving visibility, safety and compliance. All plunge saws are equipped with either a riving knife or a unique kickback stop for user safety, designed to prevent the saw from being forcibly pushed backward during operation. The kickback stop enhances safety, stability and guarantees perfect results, particularly when making plunge cuts. A riving knife is a safety feature found in some plunge saws that helps prevent the workpiece from pinching the blade during cutting, which not only keeps the user safe, but guarantees great results. The Festool range includes both corded and cordless options, providing flexibility and convenience for different applications and work environments. Cordless models offer mobility and freedom of movement, while corded models ensure continuous power for extended use. Festool plunge saws are engineered with precision components and high quality materials to ensure durability, accuracy and long-term performance.